Okay, we are going to do our kimono. We're going to have the right side facing down. We'll start our fold from the bottom. Fold it up a little wide, maybe about an inch, inch and a half. Pick the napkin up, put your finger up under, fold it over, and make it even with the top of your first fold. Then fold it back so that you have like a fingernail length or width of fold. And just repeat this. Top, even. And fold it back. Again, the same amount showing. Now you can either fold this back or just leave it laying, whichever way you want to do it. I think I'm going to press it down and fold it. At this point, you want to take your folded side and turn it over so that it's facing the table. Then fold your left end over and your right end over. Now pull your end up, open one of your pleats, alternate your pleats within each other. There you go, a nice fold. And the pleats fit in there perfectly. And here it is in a place setting. This would also be cute if you had some really decorative chopsticks to slide in there versus the fork and knife. Now to create our fancy weave. Same thing, right side towards the table. And these folds are going to be similar to the folds with our kimono, but they're going to be a little smaller, more narrow. So let's fold these back about an inch, maybe half an inch, so that we can get in maybe 4 or 5 folds. Same thing, make sure that it's even with the top fold. Fold it back. You see this fold is going to be just a little narrower. There we go. And we're going to keep up this process. Even. And fold it back. Press it down. And let's create our next one. As we make these folds, if we press the fabric down with our hands, it makes it easier to hold the pleats. Even again, press it down. So you have a nice stack of folds on one side, and on the other side, you have a nice stack of pleats. Go. So we have 4 folds on this one, whereas the other one we only had 2 or 3. Now, same as we did with the other, the pleat side, we're going to turn that pleat side down towards the table. This time we're going to bring our ends in tighter. Okay, and again, same thing, we're going to put our folds into folds. So we'll lift up all the folds on one side, open it up, Place it inside the very first fold, the next one, and place it inside the next fold on the other side, and keep up this process. The more folds you have, the prettier this design turns out to be. Okay, here is our finished design. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to add a fold on the back half of this. Fold it across. I'm a little stickler for straightness. Fold it across the back, forming a triangle. Now we're going to turn this over. Isn't that pretty? A nice weave. Now I'm going to add something to mine. So at the bottom of my design, I'm going to add a napkin ring at the very bottom. Alrighty, and here is the elegant weave in a place setting. I've added a napkin ring to this one. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. When leaving a comment, please be respectful. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.